521, Kingdom Court. 521, huh? Keep coming. Hold up right there, sir. Walk out to us.
Sir, come to me. Back of the truck. Come to me. Turn around, face me. Walk towards me normally. Hands straight out in front of you. Hands straight out. Come to me. Come to me. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Any other occupants? 521. 521 Kingdom Court. This is the Anne Arundel County Police. Judge, we have a search warrant for your residence. Please exit your residence through the front door. There we go. Come on outside, ma'am. Hands above your head. Nothing in your hands. Hands above your head, please.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Come to me, please. Ma'am, walk to the back of the truck.
Those aren't mountains. They're waves.